Best Paper Trimmer Cutting Machine Review. In this video, we will share with you one of the most popular paper trimmers in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We will share with you some of the features of what makes this paper cutter so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this paper trimmer. The one that made our list is the latch 66 paper trimmer. This trimmer is designed to cut sizes from A2 to A5, and you can cut paper, photos, labels and more. It's also able to cut at angles from 45 degrees to 90 degrees. The sharp trimming mechanism and ruler precision measurements allows you to have perfectly scaled trimming. It also includes a tile grid and a handy ruler to ensure that every cut is accurate. This trimmer is lightweight and versatile, and it includes a protective rail guard and latch hook lock to protect users. To check out the full specs of the latch 66 paper trimmer and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/papertrim. Here's a quick look at how easy it is to use this trimmer. So there you have it, the latch 66 paper trimmer. Considering its ease of use, the quality of this set, and its overall functionality, we feel that this trimmer is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the latch 66 paper trimmer and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/papertrim. Alright, thank you for watching.